I'm just
Okay.
here to make a special appearance.
Or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for no, ma'am.
We've got an absolute wild one today. A self-proclaimed sovereign citizen walks into court and tries to convince a no-nonsense judge that the law doesn't apply to her. Yep, you heard that right. She's being charged for driving without insurance, but instead of owning up, she claims she's not bound by U.S. law because she's a free citizen. You can't make this up. The tension in the room is unreal as she argues in circles, and the judge just sits there, completely unfazed, ready to shut this nonsense down. Buckle up, because this is one courtroom meltdown you'll be replaying twice.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, not this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, you can proceed forward with the trial, bench,
As
or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Who does this woman think she is? She's literally trying to get her entire case dismissed by claiming she's a foreign alien, and the law doesn't apply to her. Like, what? If you're driving on public roads, you're automatically agreeing to follow the law. That's called implied consent. You don't get to opt out of basic traffic rules just because you say so. Insurance exists to protect everyone, but this sovereign citizen thinks she's cracked some secret legal code. Let me know in the comments. Are sovereign citizens onto something, or are they just living in their own alternate reality?
At your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate, or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is the show cause or capias.
So, as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation damages or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Vier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal.
And here's where it goes from weird to explosive. This sovereign citizen starts completely losing it as the judge calmly dismantles every single fake argument she throws out. She insists buying car insurance is part of some government conspiracy, while the judge fires back with pure facts. It's like watching logic versus delusion in real time. You can practically feel the tension thick enough to cut with a knife. The more she argues, the deeper the hole she digs herself into. Stay tuned, because what happens next is
Appearances for the
courtroom
record,
gold.
starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay, so I need the actual person, John Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Vieira Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Vieira Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm attorney in fact.
Attorney in fact. Every time a sovereign citizen says this, it's like watching someone try to cast a spell that doesn't work. They toss it out like it's a magic legal phrase that can get them off the hook. But newsflash, it doesn't mean a thing without an actual attorney's license. If you want to represent yourself, that's fine, but you can't just make up new courtroom rules because you found a Facebook post about common law rights. These people act like saying the right buzzwords will unlock immunity. Spoiler, it never does.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it.
Quiet.
John Vieira Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? John Vieira Williams, are you present twice? John Vieira Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Vieira Williams, the agent.
Okay.
Authorized representative. Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have John Vieira Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. John Vieira Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket.
So let's settle this. Whose side are you on? The so-called sovereign citizen or the side of basic common sense? Personally, I'm with the judge all the way. She stayed calm, laid down the law, and didn't let the circus take over her courtroom. That's how it should be done. Too many judges let this stuff slide, but not this one. She handled it with total control and zero hesitation. What do you think? Should she have been even tougher? Drop your thoughts below, and if you love courtroom chaos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for the next unbelievable case.